Alright, good evening to everyone that's locking. This is the Upnlive show. My name is Rick. On behalf of myself, Likkle Rasta, Dragon Allstar, Worldmark Entertainment, Flames Radio. This is the official Upnlive show beat. When you hear this beat, you know what time it is, right? We got a very, very special guest inside the studio with us this evening. He goes by the name of Mr. Unstopable Fyah. And he's no stranger to the show. He's been here before. He's been here quite a few times as well. And he has a brand spanking new album he's here promoting. The launch. I should say, I'm mixing the pot with the English, you know, it got already Jamaicans. But you know, the launch was a couple weeks ago, and it was in Germany. Unfortunately, I didn't get to make the launch. Well, I was supposed to be there, but you're here this evening, and England just lost. What's your take on that before you even start anything else? Who are you supporting, England, or are you supporting Germany?
I'm having a beautiful day. I'm not make nothing spoil that. But can't make nothing spoil that. I'm having a beautiful day. I'm not make the wicked spoil that. But nah make nothing spoil that. Me feel happy like my birthday. And I be a positive vibes. I flow my way. You're negative, my gone. God knows I'm nasty. Me we see you one next year.
So yes. Now you can't prepare for that.
Yes, I.
Well, what's good, brother? I haven't seen you for a long time. We've been connecting via social media, phone, but we just not seeing each other. What's good? What's been happening for the last couple of
days? We don't know, we always are working. The fire never stopping, because we say the fire is unstoppable, so we always are work. All when you not hear up on the radio, or you not see up on your phone screen, we still do something, we still at work, so.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we just been all over the place, we busy in Europe. Promote the album, you know what I mean? Me have a tour from March. Been on the road from March. Yeah. Every weekend, me all over the place, you know what I mean?
Okay, so for the people that's watching on, maybe if you're on Facebook or whatever, this is the album, it's called Still Alive. And it's a 14-track album, so basically we got 14 tracks. It's quite a good looking album. It looks like it's made, it was time consumed making this album. It looked like you put a lot of work into it. What was your favorite moment in making this album?
You know, to be honest with you though, the favorite part of the album, you know, is the name, how the name come about, you know what I mean? It's sad, but it still makes sense, you know what I mean? Still Alive, because December the 26th, a day after Christmas, I met into a horrible car accident, you know what I mean? Yes, and because I go for name the album at first, Not Today. You know what I mean? Not Today. I saw the album go for name, and then the whole car accident thing now change up the whole name for the album Still Alive, because actually the van turn over, you know what I mean, and roll, and my walk out scratch free. Scratch free, you know what I mean? So when I see that happen, I have to say thank you God.
So it's basically
yes, definitely. You know what I mean? So after that happened, it's a whole life change for me, you know what I mean? A whole life change after that moment happened, you know what I mean? And then I have this rhythm when I get from a producer in Germany.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I wait for a while, go for put a love song on it, and then when the whole accident change everything, then Senegal, Jamaica give me Virgin Data Kappa. I said Data Kappa, we need to do something, you know, pana album. More me do a song pan album together, but the whole idea is we have to sing about something named Still Alive. That the morning after the accident, you know.
Yeah.
Senegal game, and I saw we come up with the idea. My Senegal game, and him say alright, then Fyah, we go make it, and he made the punch and send him forward, come give me. I'm just going to the studio a day after, I'm gonna put my part on it, and the rest is history. Still Alive, you know what I mean?
So that's what I'm saying now, because you have 14 tracks in the album.
Yeah, number 4.
Number 4 is one with you and
Data Kappa,
So is there any more collaborations on the album, or is it just straight to you?
No, number 10. Lava Flex with me and Turbulence, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay, so it's a very rounded album, because I listened to it quite a few times. I like the track, the title track, Still Alive, and I was wondering what it was really saying, really. No, you explained to me.
Yeah, man.
That makes sense. And I kind of like why too as well. For some reason I like why.
Yeah, definitely.
This is asking a question, but I know what you're kind of saying indirectly, but the message comes out in the song, and it makes sense to me. And it's distributed by what? Is it Zaya Records?
Yeah, man.
Your label
yeah, my label, Zaya Records. My son, you know, my son named Zaya, so I just create something for him, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
You live here in the UK with us, and you see how your music is accepted here. But for some reason, your music is accepted on the wider space in Europe? Because I look at your, I follow your path, and I realize that you get a lot of love from Germany side and lots of different European countries that you go to. What has changed recently in UK? Why it's not really connecting as how it used to connect? If you see it happening that way, because that's how I see it.
Because as I told them I make a post on my Facebook, me say,
Yeah.
pay me some attention.
I see. Pay me some attention now.
Before you have to pay the price. So it's basically most of them DJ. What I can't take, if me send you a song to your email, I can't bother for you call every time you're on the radar play. I have to tell you, say, yo, my brother, I locked into your show and I'm busy. My brother stuff I do, so I not have to listen to your program for you give me a strength. You know what I mean? I know say you're Unstopable Fyah, a link, and Unstopable Fyah is a good artist. I sing some good uplifting music. So if you're a player, you can fit me in there juggling there, because I know say before you leave your yard you make your playlist. So you can add me to your playlist. I not tell you if you add the 14 track for the album, but add your favorite song. Because I send the album, say pick out any song where you like and say okay, then I'm going to play this song from the album and I get Unstoppable Fyah soon because my virgin and I know him, and when I see on the road, me and them go down, we talk, and one time when I play, I listen to the program, I have to call and remind you. So them things they kind of just break my energy, so I just stop follow up the whole UK.
But I think it works
thing
better
like
in
that.
favor that way. I think it works better because people, as I say, a king never get crowned in his own home. He has to go out there and kind of make his name for himself. And then after people start realizing, oh, this artist around here have talent. Because I realize that you're doing way more work than the average artist I know in the UK.
Yeah, man. Honestly speaking, I feel like an artist in the UK travel more than outside. Honestly speaking, and I don't know hype talk, but honestly, none of them right now. I'm not talk about maybe the before, you know, I talk about now.
So what has to work for you? How did it work for you, I should say? How did you get about on this wings?
I just as you said, we just focus the energy there, because that's how we get the love, you know what I mean? It come like you have a girl and you show her love, and she no love, and then somebody else start she love, so you just pay attention to the person who she love. So at the same thing now, me I show them love, and me when they call me, I not even sing, I don't even sing dub plate no more.
Well, to be honest,
you know what I mean, I sing dub plate no more.
In the DJ's defense, I'm not really defending nobody, but me can say this from experience. The way the parties are in the UK, it's set away where one drop music is not really accepted, because let me explain. Because the parties generally start our culture party. I'm not talking like mainstream club or O2 or whatever. I'm talking if we keep a party, Caribbean parties normally start say 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, the party start from say roughly 9 o'clock. Music I play from them, jogging and go on. So the one job can fit into this.
No, but watch you know, stick up in. Remember, say me not sing one job alone. I sing. Even if you listen to the album, this album and I'm not comparing to what I have, you know. This is just my first official album, but me have so much songs. You know what I mean? This another just one job. Me sing crop and crossover beat. You know what I mean? Me sing pan other rhythm, up tempo rhythm. See me. But what I'm saying, nothing wrong in the not to play it, you know what I mean? Sure. Time will come when everybody will play it. When the whole, cause as me say again, people don't like to support you until everybody starts support you. I saw it always go. Which is right. You know what I mean? But we just know them things, they say we just do what we have to do and just show love to who show we love, you know what I mean? I will still show them love too. You know what I mean? But me not pinpoint and say you not play my song or you not play my song or you not play my song. We give thanks to the ones that we play my song. You as a youth, I always respect, because you always give me the strength. You know what I mean? Well, whether I listen to your program or not, you always link me as a Fyah. You know what I mean? I have some other youth who give me strength like Chino, DJ Benson, some more youth where always, you know what I mean, we'll keep link with straight. Yeah. You know what I mean? So I just say thing about respect to all DJs in the UK, man. Love and the same, man. No, you know what I mean?
That makes sense. Alright, the album, did it take a couple of years to put it together, or was it something that I spoiled the moment you decided to say, oh, let's go in the studio, sing 14 tracks and put it on?
No, it take time. We take time and do it still, you know what I mean? It take about a year or a year and a half to really put all the songs together. Cause you wanna, this album is like, let me tell you how the album will come out now. It's like, I do an EP first called Why. So that's why that song there.
That's what the Y is on the
Yeah.
I remember the EP.
I did an EP for a producer in Germany.
Yeah.
And Willie Bonks, you know what I mean, Reptiles. And I bring the EP to down root music, you know what I mean, in Germany, and well, discuss with them, give me some promotion on it. So Marius, which is a good friend of mine, he said to me, Unstoppable Fyah, you know, it's best you do a album though, because you have the material, so it's best if you do a album. So what you do, put the songs together from the EP, and I'll give you a couple more rhythm and stuff like that, and
you get something together.
You put the album together, you can have like 13 or 14 tracks, so that's how the album come about, you know. Me take him advice, and one of the best thing I ever do, you know what I mean. So
now you have a product to go, because when you go over mainstream to the various countries that you go, you can say, okay, this is my product here.
Yeah.
It's better selling this than selling a single. Yeah. People like to see a body of work, because the music out there, we may not necessarily consume the music that way anymore, but there's people that who still likes album, because funny enough, I wasn't an album personally, you know. It's only recent, you know, who got me into listening to album. Surprisingly, Chronics got me into listening to old album.
Yeah. No, but that Europe did album, you know what I mean. Alright, forget on most of these festivals in Europe, you have to have an album.
That's what I'm saying.
You know what I mean. That's why me do album. You know what I mean. That's why, because I get advice from people who know the business, especially in Europe. You know what I mean?
You have to have a body of work to say, alright, this is one.
It's like a resume. You never look at a job, your CV, you have to have a CV.
You have to have a CV.
CVs for go look at work. So this is my CV. You know what I mean?
Because you may have a single and maybe 10 people in the venue and maybe 8 don't like it, 2 may like it. But if you have an album, there's 10 songs on it.
Yeah, you must like 1 or 2 or 5
CMA. One. You couldn't be that rubbish that nobody likes on your song.
Yeah, so you know what I mean. But as we say, we give thanks, and it's a growth, and we'll learn as we go along. You have to feel for reach where you want to go. Feeling is a part of success. So we give thanks, man, and we'll learn same way.
What's next for Fyah?
Just more music, you know, more uplifting music for the people. You know, as I said, the music is like vitamin, more vitamin for the people. You know what I mean, and more shows coming up. You know, we have quite a few festivals. Book in Germany, in Netherlands.
Right now I need to apply for this post. I need to be Unstoppable Fyah's personal DJ. You know? I need to be on these flights. I need to be on these trips. So I'm saying it out here live. I'm putting it out here so the world can go out there and manifest.
Definitely, law of attraction.
That's how it is, you know. But we do definitely watch your music, and I see that you definitely going places, and I see the growth from the first time you sent me a song until now. Even the album, the songs on it are totally different. I don't know if it's mixed different or...
No, I grew up, remember I say anything at all in my life, you know. If you even a plow farming, if you get up every day and plow farming, you young get better at doing it, you know. So I same thing, music me do. So every day me do music, so I couldn't be on the same level, I couldn't go in one circle. I have to grow, you know what I mean. So it's just a growth in everything we do, and me livicate myself to music. Because when I dedicate, me livicate myself to music, and music is my life. So you know what I mean? So it's only better me can get at it, and there's always room for improvement. So
definitely.
Natural, my brother.
And I can see that you're going to be going places, and I wish you all the best in the future. But
thank you, my brother. Thanks.
As usual, if you're on the show, you know exactly what happened. So people, if you're locked in, you want to know a little bit about Unstopable Fyah. Obviously, you can log on to his Instagram. If you can tell us people we can find the name and find the musical line for us.
Yeah, man. You can find me. It's Unstoppable Fyah. Unstopable. The Fyah spell Fyah. You know what I mean? On all platform. You know what I mean? I'm on all social media. Instagram, the same thing, Unstoppable Fyah. Facebook, Unstoppable Fyah. Twitter, Unstoppable Fyah. My YouTube channel is official Unstoppable Fyah. You know what I mean? Vivo Unstoppable Fyah, CMA, you know what I mean? So
definitely.
Natural.
I think you came to the Upnlive show before, and I gave you the Upnlive beat, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna give you the Upnlive beat this week, and you're officially you're a one drop. No, I shouldn't say you're a one drop.
I'm a musician, man. We sing all type of music, man.
But I know you as a reggae artist.
Yeah.
Whichever way you wanna classify, I'm saying that you're an open farmer, but I know you as a reggae artist, so I receive your reggae activity music when you portray them. So Normally, reggae artists, we normally give them one drop beat. But I'm not gonna give you them one drop beat today. I'm gonna give you something different, right? If you like, you can open the time. You're looking at my computer like,
Yeah, let's play it, man. Let's play whatever you want to play, man. You know the thing,
so
man.
if you're locked in right now, this is the Upnlive show. We're gonna be having Unstopable Fyah right here live, and this is the freestyle. Remember, you heard it first right here. Upnlive show each and every Wednesday, 8 p.m. right here. Log in, subscribe to our YouTube channel, people. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't like the freestyle, thumbs down. Alright, comment, leave a word, keep it locked.
A fire! The unstoppable. Yo, alright. Let me tell you what I want. Let us pray. Thank you, Father God, for continue to bless me. Cause the wicked out the road, them continue to piss me. Them bad mind through my life sweet like Nestle. And money I make man and live honestly. Go with dirty devil, you can't impress me. Me no clothes in a drawer, so you can't press me. But, hold on there, who that text me? Them want me fi dead like Elvis Presley. Oh, but call of your mother Satan. You want me fi dead that you a weird pan. I fi rise and be a great man. One ear say me dead and down a graveland. Hey, let me tell you what I want. Alright. Rise me a rise to the top, to the top. Nah, no time fi go turn back. Rise me a rise to the top, to the top. Me see them from afar, I set up them chop. Them a watch my life and me nah watch yours. Chat my life and me nah chat yours. Shoot me a speak and me nah drop words. Must reach to the top cause me nah stop work. Hey! Me nah watch yours. Chat my life and me nah chat yours. Shoot me a speak and me nah drop words. Must reach to the top. Mix me now. Alright, watch ya now. Me used to want fi house but me no bother. Me used to want fi lucky place like Super Cat and Shabba. Bun whole heap of fire like Dada. But this jacket on Dr. Collect behavior. Tired of the pants and the shirt with bait here. Looking at my eyes, me a tell you say ya bait ears. You know long me na this about 8 years. Nobody na sing for the people them art. Every man na sing for top 10 chart. Enough artists but why you chat be a fart. Sometimes me have to wonder. You know the thing go.
This is Unstoppable Fyah freestyle non-stoppable. You know we give you a faster beat. You ready again?
Born ready, man.
You ready?
Born ready.
We keep it that Unstoppable Fyah freestyle. Turn up, let's go.
Alright, watch ya now. So for the area, me a go hard and done. Nah pass me pa no corner sit down. Make mama proud her one strong son. Rise youth rise from out of the slum. For the area, me a go hard and done. Nah pass me pa no corner sit down. Make mama proud her one strong son. Rise youth rise from money, me go on feet. Some go drive taxi, me play a song feed. Christmas a come, mama want I'm fi eat like I'm homeless, always on the street. This year me nah ease up, so me go work in a rain in a snow till me freeze up. At the truth me a speak up, self-reliance Marcus Garvey teach us. So for the area, me a go hard and done. Nah pass me pa no corner sit down. Make mama proud her one strong son. Rise fire rise from out of the me a go hard and done. Me a go hard and done. Me a go hard and done. You know the thing go. Yeah,
And
yeah.
for people that was Unstoppable Fyah the freestyle. And if you listen people, if you like the freestyle, thumbs up. If you don't,
Thumbs down.
Right? Simple so. Remember people, you can catch us here each and every Wednesday on Flames Radio. This is the Upnlive show. Thank you very much for passing through Fyah.
Yeah man, much love my brother.
Much love and much respect. And also we got another artist inside the studio. We should have given him a little mention long time forward, right? The man who has the most outrageous glasses in the world. And people, if you're online, I need you to see this as well. Because
Ovadose.
who is that? Ovadose is here live. I think we need to talk to Ovadose quickly as well. Ovadose, what's good?
There, you know, real talent over boss, real people over ghosts. None of them I say them bad, but me badder than most. What them call me, real overdose.
The name, Ovadose. Well, explain that for me quickly.
Well, you see the name there?
Yeah.
It's like, watch a flicker now. I know I watch a movie, one night, Zin.
Yeah.
Because I didn't really need a artist name. So, not really a watch a movie. Me in the house, the movie I go on, I not pay the TV no mind. And me hear somebody said in the movie, say, somebody was killed by overdose. And that draw me attention, me I think, well on there. Did somebody name overdose kill a person? Or the person died from an overdose? But the person died from an overdose. So the same night now, I have a show. Look a concert. Go to the concert and mash you up and people might call me and I say, yo, what happened? You don't want overdose? And them start say, yes, overdose, we want overdose. We want overdose. I mean, I pray, after I come off of the show, I say, yo, them want overdose. That sound like my name done.
So like I you that.
Yeah. Somebody just say, you know what, I'm going to work with the name, you know. Overdose. And from there, so,
Yeah.
I just start work with the
Just
name.
run with it, right?
Yeah.
So what's been good for you in the music? How's the music been doing for you?
Yeah, it go on alright so far, you know.
Any-
Just,
any music that we can look forward for?
yeah, I have a tune name, Love Me Beach.
Love the beach.
Yeah, I love my beach.
Love your beach.
Yeah.
In England though, when you love the beach, there's no beach
No.
here, only South End, innit?
No, I do music for everybody, you know, all over, you know.
Okay.
England, Jamaica, Africa. You see me say, cause music, you can't ground in music, you know, it's a global thing.
Which
So
is right, this makes sense.
yeah. So the song when I say I love my beach, I really love my beach. If me no go win the weekend then me have to reach.
Nice.
Towel over shoulder, shoes pan feet, slippers in a hand, me beach me have to reach. Now I can't no food, now I go there go eat, you know? Yeah man.
That
So-
sounds like it has two different meanings. I mean, but don't worry, I love my beach though.
Yeah, I remember me have some single, me have me tune my mixtape for drop.
Okay.
Name Clean Boss. One drop already named Boss, and the next one for drop named Clean Boss. But basically the Clean Boss is a clean up of the boss.
Okay.
But you have different track. Not the same track upon the Clean Boss.
It's different songs. for
Yeah,
it.
but most of the song with the boss upon the Clean Boss.
Boss. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna ask because I realize there's a pattern, there's a trend in your music. Who was your who inspired you to do music?
You know, me inspired by a whole heap of artists, but
Because
my old man, my father, my
Yeah.
old man, the man make me start really do music, because from small he wanted me to be a singer,
Yeah.
but at the time, me used to say, boy, I can't sing, but me also always hide out and go a party, you know.
Yeah.
From a tender age, like 10-year-old, me used to make a pillar under the sheet
Yeah.
and screech it to the window and push up the window.
Yeah.
Yeah, when my parents them things say me in the house asleep, me gone. And me come back in like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, just in time.
Yeah.
If it go on like me asleep, my mother come knock me up, you know. I'm like, I'm gonna be it, I'm going to school.
That's cool. That's how you go in school time.
Yeah, me know, and
But the
them
reason
time the
why-
morning shift.
The reason why I say that is because there's a bit of drama in your music and it sounds a bit like comedy as well. It's kind of telling a story, which it kind of, whenever I hear you sing, it always remind me of Professor Nuts or General Trees, that form of storytelling side, which is kind of missing. There's a niche in the market. Maybe if you market it properly enough, you may find people who's really interested. Because I am interested into it. Because even though that you sing that one, the beach one,
Yeah.
I'm gonna, my mind's thinking, but you know, I'm on the here, so I ain't gonna be mentioning what I really wanna say, but
Cleanse your mind, cleanse your mind.
where's the beach though? Because
Yeah.
you're saying about beach and you're in England and you're talking about the beach. There's no south end, Anyway,
I love my beach, you know.
But quickly before we go, can you just tell people how we can find your music online? Do you have any social media?
Yeah man, Real Overdose right across the board. YouTube,
That's REAL.
yeah, REAL, and it's OVADOSE. It's OVADOSE. Overdose the name. And more I mentioned some single like Plastic Rice.
Yep.
Whoa, Jamaica nice. Plastic Rice, and I have a tune called Boss. Everybody want boss, And dancehall mix up, one bag of mix up, lad. Dancehall need to fix up, you know. So me have them single out. They on the mixtape. Can check it out on YouTube, Boss.
Alright, can you just give us a quick cameo, quick acapella of any one of these songs them so we can get to understand what kind of artist he is? Just a quick freestyle.
Okay. Boss, boss, boss. Everybody want boss, everybody want boss. Boss, boss, boss. Nobody no one care, nobody no one choke. Boss, boss, boss. Everybody want boss, everybody want. Man a bleach pan stage fi boss. Implant on in a head fi boss. Second coming of Jesus fi boss. Bleach up them face fi boss. Gonna up your man fi boss. You don't know who fi trust. Ha. Boss, boss, boss. Yeah, man.
Boss.
Some girl sleep with DJ, go see it for PG, breathe for engineer and the CEO. DJ Chublows our skirt. Sure.
Anyway, people, keep it locked, stick and still. Thank you very much for listening. Do go out there and support the artist. Unstopable Fyah, as I said, was here before. And if you're just joining us, we played a couple tracks of the album. The album is called Still Alive and it's available on, that's the title track for the album as well. It's Still Alive. And we're going to be dropping that song right now, that you have a feel of it if you just join us as well. Remember, you can go onto iTunes, Amazon, all available music platform, and you can get the album. You can purchase it, you can stream it, whichever way you want to do. But please support the music. As I always say before, you know, it's easier to buy a song off iTunes or stream it than to actually buy a bottle of NSC to go to a party, alright? So in case instead of you buying a bottle of NSC, you just buy one song, because the song costs what, 99p?
Yeah.
And a bottle of NSC costs 99 pounds.
The album not even expensive, you can buy the album.
And the album is not, if you don't want to buy the whole album,
You know,
right? You can just buy one song or stream it.
Yeah.
Simple, that's the
Stream it.
support, alright? People,
Support the music.
simple. Keep it locked. This is the title track of the album. It's called Still Alive, featuring Unstopable Fyah and Dr. Copper. Upnlive show, keep it locked.
Pressure. Never give up. Never give up to the next song. Unstoppable. Been through the fire, made it to the end. Me not give up on life, go through hell and back again. No for them think me woulda lose me by now, but I'm still alive. Still alive, yeah. Them think me would be dead by now, but I'm still alive. Data, enough heartache, no suffer, enough pain. Enough embarrassment, enough time me get shame. But me still a hold my lane, and I run down them fame. Them say life is like a draft, you have to go to play the game. When me look and see how far me I come from, I coulda choose the road, then I coulda turn a gunman. Stick to the dream, cause music was no plan. Know me I tour down the world and I sing no song. I will never give up to the work slow. Value your life, know your work, yo. Nobody worry yourself, the victory I got sweet. Even though you've been through the fire, made it to the end. Me not give up on life, but through hell and back again. No for them things me